Hello guys, welcome back to Fork It Up with Neely, another episode. This is going to be more about a self-talk type of video. For anybody that really needs to understand whether working on yourself more is a priority versus making time for everybody else in your life is a priority. So I just want to speak to you on a personal level and more of like from my heart. Like, there is a lot of things that go on throughout our day, guys. I'm sure countless people either work more than one job, go to school, or whether you don't even do any of that and you have your own little fantasy world that you're in, that's to you. That's your life. That's your prerogative. But I find myself personally always getting into a clash with people that tell me I don't go out that much. Oh, you're young. We're in our 20s. It's the weekend. Well, not everybody has off on the weekend, one. Not everyone makes so much money, two. And not everyone wants to go out all the time, every freaking weekend, three. And I just want to speak to you guys personally is that I'm a huge believer that if I don't see a reason to hang out with you, like to impact my life, or if it's something that inspires me, that I'm hanging out with you, or like we're in the same mindset, same level, or something that helps you and helps me, then I don't really see the point of us really hanging out. Because if you're a friend, you're a friend, and friends may not understand where you are. Neither family. Just hear me out. Neither friends, families, co-workers, acquaintances, side people, your side meal, whatever the hell you want to call it. Nobody knows the journey that you're on. They're not supposed to, because it's your journey. Like, it's your path. Please don't feel like you have to be obligated to 50 million people, because those 50 million people are also going through a battle of trying to get their selves together. They're just not telling you that part, and they just want to either live it up or hang out with you. So back to the fact of everyone just trying to actually hang out and this and that. My thing is, I always tell people the truth. I said, I'm really just trying to work on myself. Honest to God truth. I'm really trying to work on myself. Working on yourself working on yourself means numerous things to anybody. Like, you could be working on your image of what you look like outside or in. You could be working on school. You could be working on, like, obviously better grades in school. You could be working on a job, making more money. You could be working on anything. Whatever impacts yourself, I don't believe anything comes first before you. Okay? Before you. Because I'm a big believer, if my mindset is not correct and right here, then I can't be going out and having fun when I'm somewhere down here, not really thinking, not really together, and everyone else is up in the clouds. I need to make sure I'm good. I need to make sure my priorities are straight. I'm a very serious person. I mean, I could have fun and laugh and whatever, but I mostly have to be very disciplined. I'm very grounded. And sometimes, like for example, I went out the other day and one of my friends was trying to catch up with me, and he was giving me a scoop on his current relationship, and that it was like crazy, and that he mixed up with one girl and another girl, and he doesn't know which girl to choose, and now they both found out, and I'm just like, did you come here to hang out with me, or did you come here to just drop your drama on my lap? What is that? See, that's nice. I understand that we're supposed to listen to each other. Like, I get it. If somebody goes through something, they want like a support or maybe advice, but it was 3 hours of my day that I felt maybe it was mostly wasted. And I did talk to that person of how I felt about it. Obviously, people get offended. Get over the fact of offending people, because it's always going to happen. It's just, like, they need to know. Like, if you don't say nothing, they're just gonna walk all over you like a doormat. So, my advice to you is always put yourself first. Like, don't, like, I know this sounds selfish. Like, I hear it from my family, from my friends, and like people, everybody. I love my family. I love my friends. I love everybody that are around me that I hold as in my circle. But again, they're not going to know what you're going through. They're going to say things. They're going to make assumptions about you. Let that happen. You want to work on yourself. You want to make a YouTube video. You want to be famous. You want to be able to graduate on time. You want to be able to get a good job. You want to be able to start a family. Do it. Because nobody's got you like you got you. Okay? Remember that. And I wish I had somebody to tell me that as I was growing up. Like, I don't really have anybody that I look up to, and I don't have a mentor or anything. Like, I have nobody that I really could be like, wow, like, I really want to be like you. Because I really don't see anybody that thinks the way I think. What helps me for inspiration is a lot of YouTube videos that have a lot of inspiring YouTubers. So that kind of recently helped me. Sorry, my phone's going off. That kind of recently helped me. Maybe that would help you. So I just want to leave you with this note. Learn to get comfortable being uncomfortable. I'm very serious. Like, people don't understand that. Learn to be comfortable being uncomfortable, because if you're going to be in your safety net, in your comfort zone, you're not going to go anywhere in life. If you're going to jump into something you really don't know what you're doing, but you want to go there, you want to risk something, you want to be able to do something, you want to have change in your life, you're going to have to be uncomfortable about that. You're going to have to learn how to face that challenge. I mean, just understand, like, if people give you a hard time of not really being there, just know that if you are a truly good person, whatever you're going through as a challenge that you're trying to get through, give back when you have time. Show that you care when you make time, okay? But if you're going through something right now, I'm a type of person that, this is what I do. Don't want to contradict what I'm saying. If I like to prioritize like my day and I know I have a list of things to do, I make sure I get more than halfway done of that list. If it's not the whole thing, I can't cry about it. But I have to make sure I get what I need to get done, majority of it. Then I reward myself like, okay, well now I can go out with one of my friends. And I have recently, within the last 2 or 3 years, have cut off so many people because they're toxic. Friends that are your friends are not really your friends, girl. Boo, bae, come on. So be careful on that. Your vibe attracts your tribe. So never forget that. So understand that it's okay to put yourself first and work on yourself. Give yourself that self-love, okay? I really hope that helps you guys. I really hope you liked it. If you felt like it was confusing, I'm very sorry. Just hit the stop, or the pause button really, and you can, I guess, watch another video. But I really hope that you like it. This is from my heart, and I really want people to understand that it's okay to be you, and it's okay to be like this, and it's okay to do that. You got to get to your goal, okay? Don't let nobody tell you anything different, okay? So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you guys can, please, if you can click that what's it called, that bell that's around on your website, you can click onto it. It will send you notifications on when I upload the next video. So goodbye guys. I'm gonna call the audience from now on soul collectors. Soul collectors. The reason why is because I really like to talk on a soul level, and collectors means you're collecting the fact that we're exchanging conversations. If you have any questions or comments, you can always have conversation with me below in the comment section, or you can email me. My email me is in the description box, and I really hope you have a great night. Very sorry that's a little dark that I have recorded late, but I work a lot. So have a good one.